Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about men. Yes, men. I want to give you a piece of advice. I'm going to tell you 15 things that you should never believe about your wife. When you hear it, do not believe it. 15 things. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you, I love you. Let's go. Number 1, do not believe that your wife is a mistake in your life. And I'm telling you about your wife. WIFE is what I'm saying. Number 2, never believe that you can go far in life by neglecting your wife. Number 3, never ever lie to yourself or believe that you can cheat on your wife and go scot-free. Number 4, don't believe that you did your wife a favor by marrying her. Number 5, do not believe that having sex with your wife will destroy your anointing. Remember, she is your wife. Number 6, do not believe that sex with another woman is better than sex with your wife. Number 7, do not believe that your wife is your slave. Number 8, do not believe that your wife's opinion is not of value, that it doesn't count in your life and in your family's success. Number 9, do not believe that your wife knows nothing. Do not take your wife for granted. Number 10, do not believe that there is something you're going to get in another woman's body that your wife doesn't have. That is an illusion in your brain. Number 11, do not believe that your wife has everything it takes to raise your children by herself. Number 13, do not believe that the best way to correct your wife is by beating her. Do not believe that without you, your wife can't get another man. Do not believe that if you mistreat your wife, dump her, beat her, not take care of her, and you leave her, she cannot get another man. Do not believe that your wife has hit the end of the road because she has you and your children. Number 14, do not believe that your wife is so strong that she doesn't need your help, attention, affection. Do not believe that. Number 15, do not believe that God is not aware of how you are treating your wife. He is aware even of the things you are saying that your wife is not hearing. He is aware even of the things that you're doing that your wife is not seeing. He is watching you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is @Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.